Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kate and this is Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for my Papercraft Society subscription box. This is box 17 and it is by Olga from Paper Discovery. So let's jump straight in and have a look at the box. Now this box is absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice pink and then we have the foiling. And it's quite spring-like. These remind me of peonies, so I'd be interested to see what is inside. As soon as I heard the box was by Olga, I didn't look at anything because I know I like Olga's stuff, so I was going to have it no matter what. So inside the lid it says, "This lovely box is a real treat for all tea lovers out there." And it's signed off by Olga, so that's quite interesting. And I have to say, I do love a cup of tea. I've actually got my tea right here. So let's have a look and see what we have. There's my wallet. There's my tissue paper of goodies. And I also have a voucher. It says 5 chances to win, get a share of a £250 prize. Okay, so might investigate that later. So let's move the tissue paper to one side. I always start with the wallet. It's just the way I do things. So let's have a look and see what we have. So it says, use the cabinet die alone or pair it with other Paper Discovery furniture dies. And look at this. So we do have the cabinet die. Then we have, they look like kitchen utensils, I would say. We have a plant. There's a teapot. Some tea paraphernalia and a tea set and a nice little corner die actually. So that's quite interesting. Not got anything like that, I have to say. So it'd be interesting to see what the inspiration is like in the booklet for this. Next up it says, use the small die cuts to stock up your own cabinet. So I'm guessing that's alluding to something else because it's actually got a stamp set here. So I just bring this in, we might be able to see it better. So we have the teapot, we have the plates, we have all the china and the tea set. So those all relate to the dies. There's the plant and then we have some tea pun stamps. So we have But Tea First, Your Tea-rific, Home Sweet Home, Welcome New Home, You're Never Too Old for a Tea Party, and There's Always Time for Tea and Cake. I like these book stamps as well actually. And while I'm looking at this, I'm also thinking of my journal and what I can use them in there for. So just the way my brain works. That's quite a sweet little stamp set. And then the last box says, surround yourself with little things that you love. And let's see what we have in here then. So we have an embossing folder. It's quite pretty. I need to get better at using embossing folders. I don't use them as much as I should. And let's have a look at the papers. Okay, so we have a pink floral type paper. There's 2 of those. Then we have this blue one that definitely looks like a kitchen floor. We have this green leafy one. We have another blue one that looks like a kitchen floor. And that's all the papers that are in there. So there's an interesting selection. I don't know which one I would say is my favourite. Probably the pink one I would say with the florals. But let's see what else we have. So that is everything that came in the wallet. So let's have a look in the tissue paper. Let's see what we have in here this month. Okay, we have some more inks. So it looks like a dark blue, a light blue and a grey. We have some little grey, silvery embellishments, like the little dots. We have some silver thread, quite pretty. We have our card, happiness is crafting and a cup of tea. Oh, that is so true. That is so true. And then on the back it says challenge yourself. If you're ever in need of some card making inspiration, then use card sketches. These are basically pre-designed layouts to inspire your creativity. No matter what the occasion, make your own sketch challenge and the ideas will flow thick and fast. Here are some of our favourites to get you started. And then as you can see, there are different shapes and different card layouts. And then we have the inspiration book with Olga on the front. As always, we have the page telling us what should have been in the box. And then there's just inspiration all the way through the book from Olga and also different designers. Just different ways to use the bits and pieces in the kit. So I'll have a look at that later. And lastly, we have the coordinating cardstock. So we have pink, 2 of those, and this is really thick, really good quality cardstock. This green, it's a really interesting green shade actually. It's quite nice. We have a nice blue. And we have this gorgeous light blue. This is beautiful. And you have 2 of each of those. So that is what came in this month's Paper Discovery themed Papercraft Society box. It's a really interesting selection. I'm quite looking forward to playing with all that. Next month is from Card Making Magic. Now I do really like Christina's boxes. I think they are always full of really interesting things. So again, I haven't watched the inspiration on those. I haven't watched the reveals or anything. And I was just going to get it no matter what. So I'm looking forward to that one already. But definitely going to have a play with this one here. If you want to get involved with these boxes, I will leave a sign up code in the description box of this video, and it gets both yourself and me some money off a box if you use it to sign up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. What do you think of the contents of the box? Do you like the tea sets? Would you use them? Let me know in comments, because I'd be really interested to hear what you think. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you are all safe and well. I will be back soon with some more videos, but take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.